Today we are going to show in a different way how improvements can be made in energy efficiency through technological cooperation.
BIP project is working on the energy renovation of public heritage buildings. It combines two innovative concepts: BIM, Building Information Modeling, and EPCs, Energy Performance Contracting.
What we do, the target is to train public workers to use as less as possible energy in the public building uses in order to reduce the carbon emissions.
We know that for energy efficiency investment into buildings and construction, actually 9 to 30 jobs are created for every $1 million invested, and that's massive. It's actually much more than many of the other sectors that you could invest in with either energy efficiency or renewable.
The main result of our project has been the development of a methodology for public administration, who is usually the manager or owner of this type of buildings.
We test as a solution the application of nanogrid concept to public buildings. In the building, we integrate some devices like photovoltaic plants, typically on the rooftop of the building, battery storage, install the automation for the management of loads.
Our project aims at reducing energy consumption and adverse environmental impact by using renewable energy sources and energy efficiency measures. The project plans and supports 3 cost-effective energy renovations of public buildings across climatic zones in Greece, Tunisia and Jordan, while monitoring the effectiveness of renovation using energy measuring devices.
So the project supports cost-effective and innovative energy rehabilitation of 7 different public buildings in Mediterranean area. Besides these pilots, in order to reduce building energy consumption, Sole will also intervene at 2 other levels. First, by encouraging behavioral change in people through @Green campaign. Secondly, by impacting on local policy through lobbying and advocacy.
So, I'm going to be talking today about the design of customized PV systems, what we call data-driven PV systems for buildings that have what we call nonlinear loads. We're gathering that information about energy consumption, about power quality, about energy, about current, voltage, all these different characteristics that tell us how the energy is being used at those schools. And the system generates reports that shows us how this consumption is changing.
Welcome to the Medecosur pilot site in the School of Architecture of the University of Florence. Here, a living lab has been set up to experiment with an innovative and eco-sustainable renovation process. The name BICS Lab, Building Environmental Experience, underlines the centrality of human behavior as well as the key role of people and their experience inside the building.
This platform, named SmartNES, a smart microgrid platform with an energy management system, is implemented in our National Engineering School of Tunis and in our research group lab in the frame of Medecosur project.
We are here at the site of Solar Tree, which was implemented at the front yard of the new campus of Al-Najah University. The Medecosur project has a major role in promoting the concept of renewable energy application in Palestinian University.
Through Medecosur project in our university, we have reduced the electricity by 20%.
Energy is a sector where knowledge, technology, and even challenges are common all over the world, with of course some particularities in each country depending on the natural resources available, on the legal framework and the energy standards imposed.
After seeing all of those wonderful projects, I think it was a very convincing demonstration of what can be done. We have a lot of opportunities, we have the right moment in time, we have a window open to act. Let's just get it done, and we heard it is possible. It's all out there. Let's just make it happen.